Hey, I'm Melyssa. I wanted to talk a little bit about my first session at Metaphysical Bodyworks, where I went in to find some natural relief for a slip disc in my neck and my back. So I had my first session there, which was amazing. The facility itself was clean and cozy and inviting and just so comfortable. And my session was with Sal. He's so knowledgeable, incredibly thorough. I had so many questions, which he answered. I learned a lot actually. Before our session, he explained everything step by step. We did a bit of massage work, adjustment, and stretching at the end. It was incredible. I felt instant relief that actually lasted throughout the week, which is pretty rare. I cannot believe that happened with one session. I'm so excited to go back and continue and just see where it takes me. Overall, my experience was wonderful. I haven't had that kind of relief in a long time. I feel like I'm able to move better. I can get back to yoga and workout classes and actually feel like myself again. It felt really good the next day to be able to get back to those things that I love so much that I haven't been able to do. And that was after one session, and I'm sure after a few more I will be back to 100, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you so much.